And she shared in front of the class how she was so touched by the work that I was doing with the client on video and how it had resonated with her. And we started talking, and I helped her to process those feelings right in class. And a lifelong fear and tightness in her chest just started to melt away. And you could just see her, the energy she had within herself begin to transform. And she just started to glow and radiate gratitude and a sense of freedom from this stuff that's been holding her back and tying her down emotionally for so long. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more. If you want more information about my courses, click on the link in the bio. Join us on your journey to discover your calling with Banyan Hypnosis Career Training.